Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Minister Energy, Mr. Imtiaz Sheikh, Barrister Murtaza Wahab, Liaquat Asqani, Asif Khan, MDK Electric, Munis Alvi, MD Siemens, Mr. Marcus, Mr. Abbas Hussain, Mr. Amir Ghaziani, Mr. Amir Zia, and also met an old friend, Anwar Malik. I don't know where he is now. Anwar is right there. Anwar is my class fellow, so I couldn't miss him here. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's indeed an honor to be here, and I'm grateful that the K Electric has invited me over for the groundbreaking of this historic project. I was just learning about the project from Munis, and he told me this is the first time, and so I was a little ashamed also. KESC was formed in 1913, and Boris tells me a lot of countries in the West, even in the United States, did not have electricity at that time, distributed electricity at that time, and KESC, as it was formed in 1913, was providing electricity to Karachi, and it took us 110 years almost to build a 500, we are proud that we're finally there. We are building a 500 kV grid station. And Munis told me, I said, what's new about this? I'm not an electrical engineer. I don't know, but he said, this is the first 500 kV grid station being built by K Electric. Prior to this, the NTDC, which is a much newer company, which just came on board a few years ago, a few decades ago, has built 500 kV grid station. So congratulations to K Electric. You've also been here for quite some time now. 2007 onwards, it has been privatized, and we've got this new addition, which would go a long way, as you've told us, can evacuate 500 to 1,000 megawatts of energy, will supply electricity to 300,000 customers, contribute 1% to Pakistan's GDP. Good numbers, great numbers, and I'm proud to be here today. Siemens, you've talked about. I remember Siemens since I've been born in Karachi, raised here, and this is not no man's land for me. I've been in this area several times, and Siemens, since I remember, I've heard about Siemens. I've read about Siemens. Being an engineer, I know the contribution that Siemens has been making in Pakistan, and I'm really, I congratulate you for this new contract, and I hope that Siemens and K Electric and other companies here would do a lot more work and contributes towards the development in Pakistan. K Electric and Sindh government go back a long way, since the times that this was KESC, and then when it was privatized. We've been working very closely with K Electric. The Minister Energy spoke about some of the initiatives that we're taking together. I remember one, and one of them is the Nooriabad Power Project, where the government of Sindh, in public-private partnership, built a 100 megawatt power plant, and initially we wanted to sell the electricity in the Hyderabad region, the ESCO region. They were not willing to buy it, and K Electric came forward, and we are the only provincial government who then built a transmission line and transmitted power to K Electric, and as far as I know, this 100 megawatt is amongst the top dispatchers for K Electric, and it's not cheapest. Though it's going to, you're probably going to get a bill from me, because I'm being called to Islamabad several times on this, and I'm going to bill K Electric and the consumers of Karachi for this, for the number of times that I've been called to Islamabad to appear in an app court for this project. So, this will add some pesos to your tariff if I get this judgment from the court that they have to pay, the beneficiaries have to pay for this, because the beneficiaries of the power plant are the citizens of Karachi, and we're proud that we've been able to give this power to the citizens of Karachi. Apart from this, the other initiatives that we're working on along with the World Bank, the solar parks, and I believe there are 2 in Karachi and K-Electric. We're working closely with K-Electric on that. On Thar, Monis was just talking to me, and I told him we'll meet and we'll try and resolve and see how the government of Sindh can help, even as you mentioned, as a lender, because ultimately if we can use this power, we can use this natural resource to provide cheap power to our citizens, the government would not back down. As it is, we have spent, I don't know, last count, I'd say roughly $1 billion in Tharparkar for infrastructure development, which again we are not claiming, which has gone into Tharparkar, and that has enabled Thar coal to now produce. We've had 2 synchronizations in the last 10 days of 660 megawatts each by Shanghai Electric. So again, the government of Sindh is trying to contribute as much as we can to the development of Pakistan, and we feel that the province of Sindh, because starting from Thar, it has the 6th largest coal reserves in the world. We produce 70% of the gas in the country. We have tremendous potential for solar, and you can see the wind, you can hear the sound of the wind through the microphone, and we potential for wind energy. So we claim to be the energy basket of Pakistan, and the government of Sindh will play its role to make sure that this potential is realized. Once again, I congratulate K-Electric. I've been told, and Monis also announced it, by April 2024, this grid should be up and running and benefiting the people of Karachi. Any assistance that is required from the government of Sindh, please, we just, I know Sheikh Saab is in constant contact with you. He's just a phone call away. One thing, you need to also take care of the people of Karachi. The massive electricity shutdowns, the excessive billing in some places, this has to be corrected, and I'd ask you to make sure that, you work with your consumers, and you work with your consumers, you make your consumers happy, everybody will be happy. So once again, thank you very much for inviting me here today, and I congratulate K-Electric, I congratulate Siemens, and most of all, I congratulate the citizens, the residents of Karachi for this new edition of a 500 kV first time ever grid station in Karachi. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.